Bonafide Hustler here. There are not many garage sales today, but I'm gonna take you along with the ride, and we're gonna see if we can find some stuff to buy and resell. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my spaceship. And yeah, there's a garage sale right over there. We're gonna go check it out. There are not many garage sales today, so wish me luck. We'll see if we can find anything to buy and resell today. Nice bags. How much are bags? I'm just curious.
How much are what?
How much are the bags? I'm just curious.
I'm not sure. She just walked off for a second. That one you can do like, I don't know.
Just need a speaker.
$3.
Okay. Still works okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
I haven't, we can charge it and price.
Oh, okay.
So we could just do like half off.
Okay. Okay.
Or, I don't know. I guess we could do like, because we haven't used them at all.
Yeah. I'm just interested more in, I mean, I don't know. I'm just curious how much. So, what's like the best deal? What do you think the best deal on both would be?
So
I'm more interested in this one, just to be honest.
So it says it's $139 for one, so we could do like $100 for both.
100 for both? Okay. All right. But this will do that for sure.
Thank you.
Any chance on 50 or come back? One thing.
For both?
Yeah, I'm just wondering. If not, it's not a big deal. I'm just wondering.
You do like 75.
Okay, so I didn't get those North Face bags. They're a little steep. She said both for 75, and quite honestly, I could probably sell one for 75, and then the other one would sell for, I don't know. It just doesn't seem like the greatest deal, to be honest with you. So, and they were mediums, right? If they were like larges or extra larges, now you could probably sell them for like 80 plus, maybe 100 plus. Just wasn't really worth it to me. Got this Clip 3 JBL speaker, which is kind of nice. $3. Looks like it's in great condition. These are always good to pick up. You can resell them too on FBA. I think if you're ungated on FBA, these sell for pretty good, but you know, this is still a really good speaker just to have around and use, because they can get splashed with water and everything, and they clip. That's why it's called a clip, see? All right, next garage sale. Okay, next garage sale is sitting right here. It just looks like a million different random stuff. I'm not feeling super optimistic about it, but we're gonna check it out. After all, if you only have 4 or 5 garage sales in a day that you're gonna see, which is the case today, you can't really be picky, you know? Ah. Yeah, some CD. It's pretty cool.
Those are a size 9.
They're 9s?
And,
okay.
Or roughly a 9.
Okay.
And those are just $5.
Okay. How much are those shoes? And do they still strap pretty good and everything?
These?
Yeah.
You know, they were my son's, and he's a size.
All right, so from that garage sale over there, I picked up these Birkenstocks. Pretty nice. They're still in really good condition. They're size 9, I think. And yeah, they should sell for definitely, I think, over $50 for sure. Probably closer to 60 or 70. But yeah, these are nice. So not a bad hustle. And there's some other things there. I need to look up this one snowshoe that I saw. Atlas snowshoe. I just want to make sure, but I don't know. I mean, it's kind of a crapshoot, but probably no. All right, the next garage sale is sitting in this garage right here. There's a shopping cart, guys. Maybe it's so I buy the shopping cart, I fill it up with cheddar, and then I bring it home. I don't know, but could be pretty good. We don't know. Am I your first customer?
Huh? Oh yeah, welcome.
Nice.
I know we just kind of opened.
Oh, I saw the guy in the street. I was like, oh.
Early.
Cool.
That thing's cool. It folds flat.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, it's interesting.
Oh.
What are these listed? 10?
They're 10 a piece. Yeah.
$15.
There you go.
$15. Yeah. Cool.
No, we need 2 people to come get us.
Yeah, I think I'll do it. Okay, so came from that garage sale and I popped on these 2 Under Armour shoes right here. One is a Hover Phantom and then the other one's just a Hover, it looks like Velocity. So I blindly bought both of them. One of them's my size, so I'm like, yeah, it's a white one. I don't know. But, you know, I don't have a real formal, like, not running shoe, but an athletic shoe that I can wear to like events and things like that that's white. So I don't have that. So it's right there. These are brand new shoes. They are affiliated, these guys are affiliated with a running group, so they have all this like free new stuff. So I'm gonna look that stuff up here in a second. I did buy this table that you saw in the video, so it folds down. It's pretty cool. It's a little, it's not really MCM, but it's more contemporary, I guess. But I could still put it in my booth. I think it could still pass. So that was 10 bucks. And I think in the booth that'll probably sell for 80 to 100 pretty easily. But these shoes, I'll look them up here in a second and I'll report back to you. Okay, so I looked them up just now. Looks like each shoe will probably sell between $70 and $100. So that's pretty good. Not too bad. He had a lot more in there. I don't know if I should buy them all. The other ones looked like not so good. These were definitely the 2 best ones. I think I did pretty good. All right, next garage sale, we'll go to that and then should be it. Okay, so the last garage sale is sitting right here. Look at that, I'm poking these people. I'm gonna poke you guys. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Oh man, I poked. Yeah, it's sitting. I see an enormous moose in this guy's garage. I'm not even kidding, there's a moose. I have to show you guys. 100% sitting on the ground over there, laying down. You can see the antlers in the background. What in the world?
What's up, man?
I never thought I'd see a moose in a garage sale.
You in the market for a moose?
Oh my God. That is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
Yeah, it gets a lot of eyebrows from the neighbors, but all the kids want to come check it out.
It's awesome. It's so cool. You know, anyway, I'm gonna go take a look and see how all that is. What's in this thing?
Oh, it's cooler.
Oh, it's a cooler?
Yep.
Let's see what it looks like.
Does Christmas good. I don't need use for it.
Okay. How much is it?
10 bucks.
10 bucks. Could be pretty cool.
Let's see, this looks like 6 bucks or something.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
Oh, whatever, throw me whatever. We got lots and lots and lots of stuff. And 3 rental houses, 2 rental houses.
All right, so I bought this bare bones cooler right here. It's pretty neat. I actually do need a cooler, but I'm gonna look this thing up here in a second, see if it has anything good on resale. It's marked 30, but he sold it to me for 10 bucks. So check this thing out here in 1 second. So it looks like that cooler on eBay would sell for around like $50 to $75. That's not too bad if I decide to get rid of it. The tags are still on it. It's brand new. It's pretty cool. Almost has this like, the way it opens is like a, I don't know how to explain it, like a doctor's satchel from like back in the day. It has like butterfly kind of opening. It's hard to explain, but it's neat and worth picking up. That's cool. So I'll see where the rest of this vlog takes us, but I actually have to go. I actually have some plans this morning and everything like that. I would like to donate some of this stuff to Goodwill right here, so maybe I'll do that real quick and go check out a thrift store. Okay, I just came from that Goodwill right there, and they're playing music really loud, so I'd definitely get a copyright strike. But I did pick up something. I want to teach you guys a little bit about it. Paid $17 at the door for these Vivo Ababa barefoot shoes. They're barefoot shoes, basically. So super small sole. It's kind of like you're just walking barefoot, you know? So there's a big movement with that kind of stuff. Look up Vivo Barefoot at your spare time on eBay and you'll see what I'm talking about. This should sell for right around $80 to $95 right here. These weird looking shoes. I'm not even kidding. So yeah, find them at that Goodwill over there. And they were sitting in a bin that was getting put out. So not too bad. And as usual, I forgot to close out the vlog. So here I am editing it and you know, pretty fun day. Not the greatest things found, but not the worst things found. And yeah, I actually ended up listing the table for around 150. I'm pretty sure it's gonna sell for $100, like locally, like all day. But yeah, it was a pretty cool vlog. Neat to see that moose in the garage. You know, you just never know what you're gonna find at garage sales. That's why I try to capture this stuff. And if you're enjoying these videos, make sure you hit the like button and just put a comment down below. I just wanna read comments. That's all I wanna do. So I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye.